In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive organization in Hubstaff. If you need to clean up your workspace, remove an inactive organization from your main view, or simply keep your Hubstaff account more organized, archiving an organization is a quick way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can complete the process smoothly. To begin, make sure you're logged into Hubstaff and looking at your dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, move your attention to the upper right area of the page. There, you'll find the organization icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens the area where you can manage organization-related options and switch to the correct section. After that menu appears, look for the Organizations option. Click on Organizations to open the full list of organizations connected to your account. This page is where Hubstaff displays the organizations you have access to, and it's also where you can manage them. Once you're on the Organizations page, find the organization you want to archive. On the same row as that organization, look for the Actions option. Click on Actions to open the available management choices for that organization. This menu contains the administrative options tied specifically to that organization, so it's the place you'll use when you want to make changes like this. From the Actions menu, click on Archive. That's the option that moves the organization out of your active list and helps reduce clutter in your workspace. After you select it, Hubstaff may update the page immediately, depending on your account settings and permissions. A quick tip here. Before archiving, make sure you're selecting the correct organization, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. Archiving is useful for keeping your account organized, but you'll want to be certain you're not choosing an organization that still needs active use. And that's it. The process is simple. Open the organization icon in the top right, go to Organizations, click Actions for the organization you want, and then choose Archive. If you're following along, take a moment to confirm that the organization no longer appears in your active list the way it did before. That's usually the easiest sign that the action was successful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly archive an organization in Hubstaff.